we have Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Sporteria. It's your boy Eddie. This is probably the earliest I've ever been at a park. Well, this is the earliest I've been at a Disney park. I am at Magic Kingdom right now. We have Big Thunder Mountain Railroad opening back up today, so I wanted to get on there and ride it. I haven't ridden it in so long. Since we moved down here, it's been closed, so it's like I haven't ridden it since I was a kid. I'm gonna kinda-ish rope drop. Well, I guess I'm gonna rope drop, but I got here kind of late, so it's not really, I guess rope drop is like a late workout, right? But we're gonna go and see how long the wait is gonna be. I have a feeling it's gonna be substantial. All right, park opened at 9, got in at 9:23. I'm finally in like a legit line in front, and there's a 120-minute wait right now. We'll see how that actually pans out. All right, so just got off Big Thunder Mountain. It took me about 33 minutes from the time I actually got to the line. So in total, I mean, I got here at 8:30. It's now 10. So, you know, hour and a half, not too bad. I thought it was gonna actually take a lot longer, but I'm glad I didn't. There were elements of that ride that I do remember from my childhood, but there's like, I think Jordan would love this ride. They made it super smooth. I don't remember it being so smooth, but they made it super smooth, just like Mine Train. It's like a mix between Mine Train's, you know, twists and turns and smoothness, and then like you've also got like some barnstormer, because it's not, you know, super exciting or anything, you know, but there are little hills and stuff. But it's very smooth ride. The kids, I think, will really love it. I can't wait to bring Jordan back once the lines die down and have her go on that. She's gonna love that ride, man. So if you guys are in the area, go and check it out. Go check out Big Thunder Mountain. It's pretty cool. And that's it for me for this video. That was the only thing. I came to the park just to ride that ride. Now time to go home. Get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow's May the 4th, so I'm going to Hollywood Studios tomorrow, so I got to rest up for that. So thanks guys for watching. I'll check you next time.
I wanna be that guy with the tie, lady with the pink